In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox in Google Sheets. If you want a simple way to track tasks, mark completed items, or build an interactive checklist in your spreadsheet, adding a checkbox is one of the easiest features to use in Google Sheets. The good news is that the process is very quick, and once you know where to find it, you can add checkboxes in just a few clicks. To get started, go to your Google Sheet. Open the spreadsheet where you want the checkbox to appear. This could be a to-do list, a project tracker, an attendance sheet, or any document where you want a clean and clickable way to mark something as done or not done. Before you insert the checkbox, make sure you are in the right sheet and looking at the area where you want to place it. Once your Google Sheet is open, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu includes different items you can add to your sheet, such as charts, images, and other useful tools. The Insert menu is where you'll find the checkbox option. So this is the next place you need to go. After clicking Insert, look through the drop-down menu and click on Tick Box. As soon as you do that, Google Sheets will place a checkbox into the selected cell. If you selected more than one cell before opening the Insert menu, a checkbox can be added to all of those selected cells at once, which is very useful if you're creating a checklist for multiple rows or items. That's it. You've successfully inserted a checkbox in Google Sheets. A helpful tip is to click the cell first before inserting the tick box so the checkbox appears exactly where you want it. If you're building a list, it can also help to organize your labels in one column and place the checkboxes in the next column for a cleaner layout. And if a checkbox doesn't appear where expected, just reselect the correct cell and repeat the same process. Checkboxes are especially useful because they make spreadsheets more interactive and easier to read at a glance. Instead of typing words like yes, done, or complete, you can simply click the box to check or uncheck it. And that's how to insert a checkbox in Google Sheets.